Millions of tulip bulbs begin their journey beneath these fields. Specialized harvesters carefully lift the bulbs from the soil. Each bulb is lifted with the surrounding soil still attached. Vibration removes much of the soil without damaging the bulbs. The collected bulbs are prepared for their journey to the processing facility. From the fields, the bulbs now move toward industrial processing.
The bulbs are positioned beside the first processing equipment.
Freshly harvested bulbs are transferred from transport into the factory line.
From the hopper, the bulbs enter the continuous factory process.
A quick receiving inspection removes obvious unwanted material before cleaning. The first major cleaning stage is now only seconds away. Controlled mechanical cleaning begins removing what the field left behind. Behind these walls, millions of tulip bulbs enter a carefully controlled process. The receiving bay keeps every incoming load organized and controlled.
A continuous conveyor begins moving the harvest into processing.
Mechanical cleaning begins removing the remaining field material. Size-based screening removes smaller, unwanted material. After cleaning, the bulbs are spread for precise inspection. Visible defects are removed before the bulbs continue deeper into processing. Mechanical sizing creates consistent groups from the harvested bulbs. Precise grading gives every bulb its proper processing path. A gentle final brushing cleans the outer surface of each bulb. Even the removed field debris is separated from the main product stream.
Clean and graded bulbs are now ready for the core processing stage.
Automated inspection now examines every bulb with precision.
High-speed cameras identify bulbs that do not meet processing standards. Remaining plant material is carefully removed before further processing. Controlled processing prepares the bulbs for their next stage. Controlled conditions keep the processed bulbs stable as they move forward.
The core processing stage prepares the bulbs for precision finishing. The processed bulbs now enter the main transformation stage. Each bulb is carefully positioned for consistent processing.
Controlled spacing allows every bulb to receive the same treatment.
Controlled conditions keep the tulip bulbs stable during transformation.
The bulbs are conditioned as they continue through the factory.
Automated transfers maintain a continuous and efficient production flow. Stabilization keeps the processed bulbs consistent before final inspection.
Workers verify that the transformation stage is running correctly. Advanced vision systems examine every bulb at high speed. Computer-controlled grading sends each bulb to its correct lane. Automated handling keeps the tulip bulbs moving with controlled precision. Multiple camera angles improve the accuracy of defect detection.
Automated gates keep every grade moving along its assigned route. Operators monitor the automated system while the machines perform the detailed work. Automation has prepared the bulbs for their final precision stages. A final optical scan checks the finished bulbs from every angle.
A final human inspection adds another layer of quality control. Visual inspection confirms the bulbs meet the required appearance standards. Several samples are checked to verify the consistency of the entire batch.
Recorded measurements are reviewed before the batch receives final approval. Approved bulbs return to the continuous production flow. Each package receives a precisely measured quantity of bulbs. Each package is securely closed for storage and transport. Clear labeling identifies every packaged batch before storage.